Hi everyone, I'm Isha and I'm from Toronto, Canada. I'm making this video to convey my special thanks to my mentor for tarot and numerology, my Seema ma'am. I love you, ma'am, first of all. and I really want to say thank you to you for giving me this knowledge of tarot. And I love learning tarot from her. Let me show you the cards, the lovely cards which she has given me. So these are the cards and I love these cards. Let's see what cards are these. So they are lovely cards, and I'm still in the process of learning from her, but whatever I have learned till now, it's so good that everything is just ingrained in my mind. Whatever I learn from her, the story she depicts in each and every card, so I don't have to like go back to the books and refer the books like what does one card mean, because that story just ingrains in my mind. So it's really lovely and nice to learn from her. She's pro. And hopefully I'm going to start my own tarot and numerology. Yeah, let's not call it a business, but tarot and numerology sessions. I am doing this because I think I'm blessed with with an intuition. Because I used to do like readings before. I used to do the readings using Rider-Waite tarot cards, but now I'm using Seema ma'am's cards and they are really good. Awesome. Because it just makes me easy to understand from the story the way she explains. So it's really good. So this is a very genuine feedback and very genuine message coming straight from my heart. And thank you very much, ma'am. Love you.